So what we're showing here at HiMSS11 for StorageGRID is the message that you can run your production clinical application environment on NetApp hardware. And out of that same NetApp hardware, you can also use it to run as a storage for your imaging, your electronic medical records, and for your archiving. So in a production environment, application can take advantage of the traditional goodness in ONTAP to run the database and protect the database using technology like deduplication and sync mirroring and snap mirroring, etc. And out of the same blocks, we carve out NFS volumes for object stores and managed by StorageGRID. Right. StorageGRID is a object storage application that really what it does is it allows administrators to use policies to manage how different data from radiology to cardiology to other clinical application, how those different data sets are stored. Use rules to determine how many copies you want to make, where those copies should live, and how long they should live. Right? As an object storage platform, StorageGRID abstracts from the application the need to know where the copies are. The grid simply delivers those copies, those data in a highly available manner back to those applications, and unifies the storage across multiple fast subsystems that can be spread across multiple sites into one unified object namespace, one unified object storage system. Okay. So here in the show, we set up a StorageGRID system. Basically, you can look at it as I'm simulating two nodes. In a way you can look at it is two nodes managing disk capacities, and these disk capacity logically can be provided by two fast HA clusters, for example, at two different sites. And here, set up the system so that we're mounting FlipShare that StorageGRID presents. In the back end, StorageGRID uses those fast capacities for its databases as well as for storing the objects. What we're showing here is that from an application perspective, a clinical application perspective, like a PACS, I look at storage, I see it as a network drive. Right? I ingest storage just like I would to a traditional NAS. In the back end, what I see is the data being replicated automatically. What I see is that the data is checked for integrity throughout its lifetime proactively by the solution. And I can get the data from the site that I ingested as well as from a site at a remote location for a secondary gate.